World. No, I look a little blummy today, but I just got my Slumfast VoxBox. So let's get ready for our unboxing. Okay, so we have, looks like we don't have much this time. The Slumfast protein shake. Ooh, strawberries and cream. 180 calories. This looks like it could be good. It looks like we have a nice little cocktail glass here. Get what you really want. Slumfast. Okay. And more goodies. This card. A mocktail. Ew. Sassy strawberry colada mocktail. Very sexy vanilla sunrise. That sounds good. And the sinful ice latte. Well, these look like some wonderful recipes that I can't wait to try. And we'll see what happens.